What I really want to do, because Island birthday is coming up the end of this month, July 31st. I want to get him something, guys, that I saw like about a month ago. Remember, babe?
Yeah.
About a month ago. And I want to get him that for his birthday.
It's island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so up in the morning, yeah. You see me a little island the woman thing. I'm at the house at the moment. But just wanted to show you guys how foggy it has gotten. It's literally like 8:30 in the morning. Earlier it was actually sunny and beautiful, and just look at all the fog just taking over this whole place. Like even sometimes when I would be going to work in the early morning when it's really dark, can you imagine it's dark plus it's foggy? How hard it is to see. Yeah, man. The sun is over there, you can barely even see it right now. I'll just show you. These are the chickens. The chickens there. I have pumpkin tree also, a few young ones on it already. Lemon, as you guys know. I have 2 papa tree. This one I throw the seed, well, I planted the seed there, and this one we bought this one. Yeah. We have banana tree here. Yeah, man, so can't wait for them to come up and start beer. This is a soursop tree, guys.
Jamaica.
Wow, I got Jamaica.
That's what he wants to do. Go to Jamaica.
There in Lismore, guys, and so the plan is, guys, what I really want to do, because Island birthday is coming up the end of this month, July 31st. So I want to get him something, guys, that I saw like about a month ago. Remember, babe?
Yeah.
About a month ago, and I want to get him that for his birthday. So yeah, I think it's gonna be interesting when you guys see it. If it's still there, you know, definitely you guys will see it.
Here comes Papa.
You're welcome. Come.
Good stuff. You happy?
Yeah.
Alright, put your hat on. Are your head itchy still?
Yeah.
Lies.
Go crazy when him come here, guys. When him see the toys and everything, he just want everything in my eyes.
Everything. Oh, dinosaur. Another dinosaur?
Guys, so this is what was a surprise, a bicycle. So I was thinking of getting him a bicycle. I remember the last time we came here, saw one that has a thing on the back where you can like push. Remember
Oh, like to, yeah.
we were looking at that one too, but I don't see that one now.
Oh.
So yeah, that's the whole idea
The whole idea of
for
it.
his birthday.
Island, look.
So you don't want to get him, guys.
Big bike.
And you get the training wheel. This one too. This is Ricky. It's like a girly. It's like a girly one.
Yeah, it's a girly one. Maybe for the girl in future.
Come 1 second, come. Come.
Island,
Alright,
listen. You don't want it?
Yeah.
Not that. That.
Try this first.
Yay, sit down.
Sit down on it. Here. Put one leg here.
Yay. The other one, yeah.
Forward.
Some practice and you will get it, eh? Hmm?
Let me see.
He's not liking it, guys, because he was distracted by something else. But I think it's a perfect. What you guys think? It's between this and the one over here, guys. Yeah, true. It's between that and something like this, guys. This is for 45. So I'm not sure which to choose. And there's another one. No, this one is designed different. So this is it, guys, in a box. So that's what I'm gonna get him for his birthday. Yeah, not gonna open it until his birthday. He's really fussy right now, guys, because he wants something else that, yeah, I'm not getting him that. Yeah, so that he can't always have what he wants, guys. We have to learn that. Walking around, Babe's looking for something to get him.
Just a little something.
Yeah.
You want this?
Yeah.
Another dinosaur?
Another dinosaur?
What do they call that one?
There's a name on it. Velo.
A trice. It's a triceratops. Whatever that is.
Let's have a look. And then the little kitchen, didn't you say?
Alright, guys, so if y'all want to see the full version of this video, it will be uploaded over on the family channel. So the family channel is called The Island Family. Yeah, man, so link will be down in the description. Yeah, man, that's where you get the full video. But this is just some snippets and exclusive blessings. Give thanks for watching this video. Yeah, man. Bobo, you want to say something?
Yeah.
What you want to say?
I'm saying hi, girls. Hello, girls.
That's there, you know?
Yeah, my toy dancer. My dancer here.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. So that's that, guys. Yeah, man. Give thanks for watching today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Blessings. We out.
No.
Yay!
Yeah, no, see me.
Sure.
Hey, how many numbers do you have, my brother? How many numbers do you